Hi guys, my name is Sean. Today I'm going to show you an awesome software called HiPage. HiPage is an innovative software that combines services that Linktree and Patreon offers. Now you can have a professional looking bio links as well as membership pages for your premium and exclusive content. HiPage is an alternative to Buy Me a Coffee, Linktree and Patreon.com. HiPage is best for influencers, content creators, course creators who are planning to earn from their Instagram, TikTok and other social media platforms. In this video, I'm going to review and demonstrate HiPage and also give my verdict at the end of this video. So stay tuned. We are currently on HiPage official website. So to my right, we have a demo site by the founder himself. So you can click on this link and it will take you to the other websites. You can add all your links in a single page. Here he has added his social media. You can also collect donations. One click checkout is available. So you can add your podcast, YouTube videos, everything on this link page by simply embedding the code from the respective websites. He also has some social media platforms listed on this page. So you can go directly and follow that page as well. So now for this example, even we have created our own digital marketing fever HiPage. So I'll show you. So this is currently the deal which is going on HiPages, so you can purchase from there directly. And then I have listed my DM Fever website, so you can go check that out as well. Then I have also added one of the products saying DM Fever merchandise. This is one page checkout. You simply have to add your email ID, password, credit card details and click on get access. The order will be instantly placed and you will receive the item according to the scheduled delivery dates. I have also embedded one of my latest YouTube video here. You also can collect sponsor shoutouts. You will get an extra window where you can enter the shoutout, whatever your users want to say, they can write it here, and then you can directly make a payment. It will be instantly delivered to you. You can also collect charges on the premium membership. So since I have kept the membership charges as 0, you need not have to enter any credit card details here. Just need to enter email IDs. And also there's one-on-one consultation product which I've added. This is one of my demo page on Digital Marketing Fever. You can take inspiration from this. If you want to check it out, I have mentioned the link in the description, so you can go check it out as well. Now let's see all the features of HiPages, and then let's come back to this page where I'll show you step by step how to create a similar looking HiPage. So now let's go. We can see here you can sell digital contents to your fans with the one-click checkout, and also you can create your own membership, lock content and make it available to the free customers, paid customers, or charge them a monthly subscription or a yearly subscription. You can also accept donations and fan requests. You can also collect email IDs with their email plugin. You can also add all your links into one bio link. So yes, this is the pricing. They have 3 plans: free, pro and enterprise. In free you get all these features. In pro plan, which is charged $19 per month, you can sell product, use up to 3 custom domains, unlimited links to your page, 0 transaction fee. You can accept donations, take fan request, and you are able to remove HiPage branding. On enterprise level plan, it's charged at $39 per month. You get features of both free plan as well as pro plan. You can build and sell your subscription. You can also sell your membership and add up to 6 custom domains. HiPage is currently running a lifetime deal on AppSumo. Let's check that out. They're currently starting from $39. So let's go to the pricing section. So you get all these features above, plus you are able to remove the branding. I think this is tier 1 is basically the pro plan, where you get 3 custom domains and all these features above. If you go to the license 2 section, you can see you can sell subscription and memberships and add up to 10 domains, which is great. License 3, 25 custom domains and sell subscription and membership, and license 5, 100 domains and you can sell subscription and membership. For an ideal customer, license 2 would be great, because if you have a business account and your personal branding account, then 10 domains would be sufficient, and also you get to sell subscription and membership. That is the point of HiPages. I don't think $39 would be a worth product, because you can only sell products. If you are into physical product kind of industry, then you can go with licensed tier 1. Then if you are into digital space and selling digital subscriptions, selling courses, then license 2 would be a great option for you. Or if you if you are into agency kind of thing, if you are into agency, then license 5 tier would be a great option, because you can sell up to 100 custom domains to your client, and also add on you get sell subscription and membership, which will be great selling point here. If you want to purchase this deal, you can find the link in the description. It's my affiliate links. Now let's go to the HiPage dashboard. I have taken the license tier 2 subscription here, so I can add up to 10 projects. So I've created one as a example. So if you can see at the right side, this is how I've customized my link page. So this is how it looks. So yes, we'll come back to the dashboard. So you have all this analytics here, revenue, orders, new peoples, all gets updated instantly. So in the order section, we can see all the current orders and subscriptions, what and all, how is the process, if there is any refunds, if there is any orders, if there is any failed payments, everything reflects here. So let's go now to the link pages section. So this is how the builder is. So you can just click on add link and you would get a small pop-up saying which type of link would you like to add. So currently you can add regular links, social media, embedded codes, products and purchase membership, donations, take a fan request, all these are possible. So I'm not going to create a new one. I'll just show you how it's done. This is the regular link. So this is how it is. You have to enter the title, enter the link, and if you want any kind of animation, then you can select. Currently they offer only shake animation, so you can expect more in the coming days. So you can click on done, then it's added here. If you want to add more links, you can add. If you want to add social media links like this, you can go to social media and select. And if you want to add products, then first we have to create a product, then we can add here. If you want to add a embedded code, then you can go here and select embedded code. So currently I have added YouTube as an embedded code here. If you want to add YouTube videos, you can go to YouTube and click on share button, where you will get an option to copy embedded code. You can come here and paste it here, so it gets reflected instantly. And one more thing, I've added Wadu TV player here. I've done the same. I've gone to the video section, copied the embedded code and added it over here. So now let's see how to create a product and shout out product and one-on-one consultation call, as well as premium community. So now let's see how to create a product and a membership page and sell membership via HiPages. So to create a product, we have to go to the product section and click on simple products. All the product come under simple product section. So we have here the DM Fever t-shirt. So you can create the products from here. Currently I'll just edit it and show you what and all I've entered here. Product title, description, and image. You can upload more if you want. So this is the featured image I have added. You can add categories for your product, and you can one thing to note, if you are making any changes, make sure you click on done editing, or else it won't save. Then you can go to the, make sure you even click save progress every time you shift the tabs here, so make sure you do that. Then we'll go to the pricing section here. So you have the pricing section. You can add if you want to have a recurring plan or monthly plan or one-time plan, then you can do that here. As this is a physical product, I've set physical shipping required. I've added weight. If you want to set shipping rates, you can click here and go to the other page, but I won't be doing now. I'll show this at the later stage. You can add inventory. If you are doing a delivery of digital product, you can add a file which will get instantly sent via email once the purchase is done. Also delivery of external links if you have to share anything. So yes, you can save the progress, and in the action tag, in the action section, you get to tag your customers with the purchase. So I have done a custom tag here saying whenever a purchase is done by a customer, you have to add a profile to their tag as fans. So this becomes really handy when you are doing email marketing. You can send a particular campaign for the particular tag. That thing is possible. And let's go back now. Let's go back to the product section. I have done one-on-one consultation call. So in order to, I've done some changes here, I'll show you. So let's go and edit it. This is a digital delivery. So let's all this is the same, and we'll come to the products pricing section here. So I have added to the deliver external link section, I've added my Calendly link. So once the purchase is done, Calendly link is directly sent to the customer, so he can go and set a booking appointment with me. So currently the HiPages doesn't support any kind of native booking system. This is how you can go around with this app. So yes, so this is it. If you want to add any files, you can add it. So if you want to send a freebie with this purchase, then you can do that as well. So you can set a inventory. I've set inventory as 5, but that is not required actually. So one more thing, once you add the whole product, so the status and availability will be by default as draft. So make sure to make it published available to sell every time you finish editing a product, and also make sure you save the progress because they don't offer auto save. So you also can duplicate the product or delete it from here. So now we'll go back to the coupon section. So in the coupon section, you can create multiple coupons and set a expiry date, a number of coupons to be used, everything can be set here. So now I'll show you how to create a coupon. You can just create on coupon option here. So I'll edit it, this one. So you can add the name, you can apply for all products or only single specific products can be added. How many users can also be added. Here I've added only 100 users of this license. So 100 users of this coupon code. Then limit the usage once per customer, and it doesn't it expires on certain date. If you want, you can say never expires. And also you can add how much percentage off should be given. So here I've given 100% off. So idea behind this was give this coupon as a lead magnet, so that I can add my new customers as well as current customers into my premium community. So this was kind of so in return I would get all their email IDs and names, so that I can target them and send them emails, and then make them convert via email nurturing. That could be done. That's my idea of creating 100% free coupon with this. So I'm currently offering only to my premium community. So yes, that can be done as well. So now let's go back to the premium membership and blog section. In the first section, you get to design and make some changes on your membership and blog design. So you can click on launch editor. You get to choose the color. All these things can be done. You also have an email box, so you can add or show, hide. You can do it according to your preference. You can also add subscriber alert. If anybody has not yet subscribed, it will ask them to subscribe, which would be a great option. So yes, you can change color and everything. Though if you go to the post section here, it shows how the post it's gonna look to your customers. So this is how it's going to look. So you can add all kind of images, videos inside this blog, so that free customers or your premium customers can have a look at a certain kind of content from your blog. So yes, this is how it looks. You can also add content lock here, so once they apply or once they purchase, they are able to see this exclusive content. So that can be done as well. So now let's go to the post section and create some posts here. So I've done a sample post. You can create new from here. So I'll click on edit. So you can write post title, and all this information can be filled by you. You can add the author names, you can add categories, and this is how this is one of the great option. So if you have multiple membership, you can assign each post to different memberships and make it more valuable. So if you want them if you want your gold customer to see certain post, you can add it only for gold customers. Silver customers can be restricted from those posts. All those things can be done with this HiPages. So then you can add media or any kind of post. You can also give access of certain posts to certain products when purchased. So I want to give this particular post as a freebie to all my customers who sign up one-on-one consultation. So this can be done. So if I click here, once the purchase is done on one-on-one consultation here, he would get access to this blog as well. So that is possible. You can also see view this post as a subscriber and guest and see how it is visible to the paying subscribers as well as how it is available for the guest. So that can be done. You can, once you're done, make sure you click on published and click on save. And also make sure you save the progress regularly. They don't offer auto save feature. Then once this thing is done, you have subscribers where you can see all your paying subscribers list here with their email IDs and name. So currently I have none, so yes, it's empty. So we'll go to the people section where you can add your own team members here, as well as you can add new customers. If a customer even subscribes this particular email list, his name also will be registered in this portal. So that would be a great function, a great option to have. So yes, then let's go back to the link page and I'll show you how to add a product. You can go to add link and click on purchase / membership. Then this kind of option would be available. So you can select icons, you can change colors, you can add a title for your community. Then you can select if it is product or membership product. If you have not created, and you get option to create one as well. So you can, once this is done, you get to select which kind of membership plan you want to give access to. And then if you want to add animation, then you can do that as well. One thing I forgot is to show you the membership plan section here. In the plan section, you can create multiple plans and give access accordingly. So if you want to add silver, gold and platinum, that can be done. But here for this example, I've just created a premium community and given this as a free annual subscription, 0 charges. So this is how it is done. So, and then I've added a premium tag for this so that I can email them and send them good information. So I can particularly tag them on certain campaigns and make good use of their email IDs as well. So once it's done, I can update the plan here. You can add multiples as well. So now let's go back to the link page. Now you can also add products in the same way. You can click on this file, this section, purchases and membership, and then you can add a product like this. So you can the image is automatically fetched from the database. So you simply have to write a title, whichever catchy title you want. You can select the product, you can choose the product whichever you want from here. Then you can add animations. Currently I've added shake animation to only the premium offers on my page. So you can see for one-on-one consultation, I've added this shaking effect, as well as for the shout out, as well as for this merchandise, and for my website, just to gain that people's attention. That's why I've added this shaky animation. You can also do that. So yes, then to collect fan request, you have separate option called take fan request. Go select a perfect shout out icon for that, and you can enter how much amount you want to charge and click on done. Then if you want to add these kind of social media icons, you can go down and select default social media links and enter your links, and it's done. So next step would be go to designs. You can design your whole landing page look from here. By default, the name of this bio link is not available, so you have to go to text and font section, enter your title and subheading. Then if you want email box, you have to come down here and make sure you enable this. From hide, you have to do it show email box, then click on update settings, which is the must, or else it's not going to update. So then if you want to add background image, you can do that as well. You can change color if you want. You can change individual section colors, or you have three pre-made themes. You can play around with this and see which suits your brand needs, and click on update settings. Now let's go to the settings. So you can set a custom domain for this, or you can use HiPages domain instead. If you want to add any slug side of your link, you can add it here. You get to add the Facebook pixel so that you can retarget once your customer comes and doesn't if he doesn't make a purchase, then you can retarget them via Facebook ads. You can add Google Analytics ID here for deep insights and deep analytics. You also have Google Tag Manager, but make sure if you add Google Analytics ID, then you don't add Google Tag Manager, because it may lead to bad SEO scores as well as duplication. So then you can add a social media preview by uploading here. Then make sure you fill the terms and conditions and privacy policies, which is a must in some countries like Europe. Then you get to have this checkbox at the end. If you are in Europe, then you have to add this require them to checkbox, because in order to be compliant you have to do that. For other countries you can select whichever you want, and make sure you click on update settings. Once it's done, your page is live. You can click on refresh and then your page is active. So in the analytics section you get some basic analytics on how many link clicks, page views and link clicks is available individually, as well as total link clicks. So this is it about creating a link page. Now let's go to the settings section. In the settings section you can add your own custom domain. If you enter here, you can add your domain as well as subdomain. Make sure the one thing which I felt bad about adding a domain is it took a lot of time to get approved. It almost took me 24 hours just to get SSL certificate. So that was a very disappointing thing what happened to me, but the support team helped me a lot, made sure this issue was solved quickly as possible. Then make sure you read the setup instructions, because the instructions to set up subdomain is totally different, and if you are using your root domain, then it's completely different. Make sure you read them all. If you face any issues and you want me to help, then make sure you leave a comment saying I want help with the custom domains, then I'll make a small video and share it with you personally. So yes, so if you have any doubts, make sure you leave it in the comment section. So now let's go back. You can also add home page settings, so that if you want link page or membership, you can choose around. You get to enter all the brand details. You can also add your social media accounts here, logos and favicons. Then all your company info can be filled here, and make sure you click on update your settings. Then go back to the payments gateway and integration. I have enabled Stripe with this integration, because the PayPal was little bit tricky and long. So for that sake I have ignored PayPal, and in India I faced a lot of issues with PayPal, so I totally ignored PayPal nowadays. So then with email integrations, you have lot of integrations here. If you don't find your email marketing software, then you can connect via Zapier, Integrately, Pabbly Connect, and all those automation sites who have webhooks. Then you can add it via webhook with this HiPage software. Then I've added currently I have enabled ConvertKit, and this is what, once you enter the detail, it goes to my ConvertKit account, updates instantly. So yes, I like that. Then you can add your Facebook pixel. You can do it here as well, so you can remarket them or retarget. Everything is possible. You can add your Google Analytics and Tag Manager. If you have not done on the page section, you can do it here. It gets reflected instantly. So if you want to add webhooks, then with Zapier, Pabbly Connect and Integrately, that is possible. You can go and update your settings once it's done. Then financial and shipping section, you can add your tax. Here it's VAT, but I stay in India, so I have to collect GST. Currently they don't offer that. And also one thing to note is they only support US dollars currently. So if you are in other countries and if you can provide US dollar payments, then it would be great for you. So one more thing, the founder has said that he is going to add more payment currencies soon, so hope for the best. Then you can add shipping rates. So I have currently added two, saying inside India and outside India, $2 and $10 respectively. So you can select the name of the rate. You can add the cost. You can add the shipping dates. So how much days it's going to take, shipping days, and you can add your location. And if you have any restrictions, you can add according to your business needs. Make sure you click on update settings. Then once it's done, you can go hover over default emails. So these are default templates. So if you have to make changes, you can do that, is possible. You can play around with shortcodes. If you want to customize this more, then you can do that as well. So to get a clear idea on how this email is going to look, you can click on preview email. So this is how it's going to look. This is order confirmation and receipt. This is opt-in confirmation email ID. So this also looks good. Then you have refund email. So this is how it's going to look. So make sure you play around with this and make necessary changes according to your requirements. So yes, so this is it. So now I'll go back to my project section. So you can add up to 10 projects with this subscription. I bought subscription 2 from AppSumo. So yes, so now let's go back to AppSumo. Pros of HiPages: I like the loading speed is good. I like the design. I like the one-page checkout which they offer, and also like the sponsor shoutouts, which is great. And all the premium community section, I like that as well. So these are the things I like. The things I don't like, or which could be improved, are the analytics section was not enough, less currency options, which was a letdown for me. Page editor was not that great. So also missed autosave, which I really wanted to be part of HiPages. And also the custom domain, which the changing of custom domain made me really sad, because it took almost 24 hours just to get approved. And this was one of the main drawback I found on HiPages. So yes, apart from this, the product is really great. I totally recommend this product. So yes, so ideally I would recommend you buying license 2 at least. And if you are into agency, then if you are into digital marketing firm or agency, you can go up to 100 domains, which would be a great option if you want to sell it to your clients. So yes guys, make sure you purchase from my link, and if you have any doubts, make sure you leave that in the comment section. I will personally reply them all. So also make sure to like this video, share this with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel, which will motivate me to make more videos like this. So also thank you so much for watching this video, and have a great day guys, and take care. Bye bye.